Jella Angel Palma, and I'm the concierge at NOAA Manila. My primary role is to provide personalized assistance to all guests, ensuring a seamless experience throughout their stay. From arranging reservation and transportation to offering recommendation on activities and handling special requests. NOAA will devote in Macau and Manila. It will replace the current Crown Towers hotels in its flagship properties, City of Dreams. Named after the Chinese goddess, NOAA will associated with creation and craftsmanship. This luxury hotel opened in 2015, bringing high-end accommodations and refined service to the Philippine luxury market. It has since become renowned for its exceptional hospitality and has received the prestigious Forbes Travel Guide 5 affiliations. NOAA Manila is affiliated with Melco Resort and Entertainment and recognized by Forbes Travel Guide 5-star properties. It collaborates with luxury brands, culinary experts, and event planners to ensure a premium guest experience. NOAA Manila is located within the City of Dreams Manila Entertainment City, Parañaque, Metro Manila. It is near Ninoy Aquino International Airport and attractions like Mall of Asia and SMX Convention Center. Room rates. Premier room from 18,000 per night. Premier suite from 28,000 per night. One bedroom villa from 45,000 per night. And President Villa from 80,000 per night. Amenities in NOAA Hotel. 24-hour room service. Complimentary high-speed Wi-Fi. In-room minibar and premium coffee machine. Evening turn-down service. Shuttle services within the resort. Access to the pool, fitness center, and spa. And dedicated concierge and butler facilities include NOAA Spa, swimming pool, fitness center, and City of Dreams casino and meeting and event spaces. NOAA offer products such as NOAA Rewards membership, luxury merchandise, and gift cards. Services, concierge services, spa and wellness, fine dining, event hosting, and butler service. Here are some package inclusion and special offers of NOAA Hotel. Overnight accommodation, complimentary breakfast for two, special welcome amenity, 10% discount on Dream Shop items, and 20% discount spa service during the stay. Tourist attraction and activities that the customer would like to try and experience near at NOAA Hotel. The Nervi Mall of Asia for shopping and dining. Check out the Manila Bay sunset for breathtaking view. You can explore the historical site in Intramurals for cultural experience and try the local delicacies at Nervi Street Food Stalls. Use ride-sharing apps for convenient transportation around the city. The possible competitors of NOAA Hotel are the nearby hotel like Okada Manila and hotel with similar rates. At the City of Dreams, NOAA Manila, guests can expect a seamless blend of luxury and entertainment. The hotel features well-appointed rooms with stunning views and modern amenities, ensuring comfort and relaxation. With a vibrant casino on site, guests can enjoy thrilling gaming experience without leaving the hotel. The attentive staff is dedicated to providing the top-notch service, helping guests with everything from dining reservation and transport. At the City of Dreams, NOAA Manila, guests can expect a seamless blend of luxury and entertainment. The hotel features well-appointed rooms with stunning